Indonesia is ready to face the future. All of us cannot avoid it. English is the only communication device 3M has provided. PEP, Practical English Program, a program that responds self-study, served by using audio-visual system, easy to study, faster than anything else. A program from beginner until to fall, the most complete program for the whole family. It's already being used in Indonesia. Everyone satisfied with PEP. Have you already had PEP? Let us join before it's too late. Become a part of 3M's big family. Another self-study program is also available. We are ready to serve all of you with pleasure. You are welcome to join us. You are welcome to join us.
Practical English Grammar, pelajaran tata bahasa Inggris praktis. Buku 2, cara membuat kalimat. Multimedia Metropolitan. 8. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah sending. Lihat petunjuk 8. Kami tadi sedang mengirim surat.
We were sending letters. We were sending letters.
Mereka tidak sedang mengirim surat tadi.
They were not sending letters. They were not sending letters.
Apakah tadi kamu sedang mengirim surat?
Were you sending letters? Were you sending letters?
Tidak, saya tidak sedang mengirim surat tadi.
No, I was not sending letters. No, I was not sending letters.
John tadi sedang mengirim surat.
John was sending a letter. John was sending a letter.
Apakah Mary tadi sedang mengirim surat?
Was Mary sending a letter? Was Mary sending a letter?
Ya, dia tadi sedang mengirim surat.
Yes, she was sending a letter. Yes, she was sending a letter.
9. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has tambah sent. Lihat petunjuk 9. Saya telah mengirim surat itu.
I have sent the letter. I have sent the letter.
Apakah dia perempuan telah mengirim surat itu?
Has she sent the letter? Has she sent the letter?
Ya, dia telah mengirim surat itu.
Yes, she has. She has sent the letter. Yes, she has. She has sent the letter.
Kami belum mengirim surat itu.
We have not sent the letter. We have not sent the letter.
Apakah mereka sudah ada mengirim surat?
Have they sent any letter? Have they sent any letter?
Tidak, Mereka belum ada mengirim surat.
No, they haven't. No, they haven't. No, they have not sent any letter. No, they have not sent any letter.
Lucy telah mengirim surat itu.
Lucy has sent the letter. Lucy has sent the letter.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had tambah sent. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah mengirim surat sebelum kami datang.
They had sent a letter before we came. They had sent a letter before we came.
Clara telah mengirim surat sebelum mereka memintanya.
Clara had sent a letter before they asked it. Clara had sent a letter before they asked it.
Setelah kami mengirim surat, mereka dapat mengerti keadaan.
After we had sent letters, they could understand the situation. After we had sent letters, they could understand the situation.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has, tambah been, tambah sending. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 10 menit mereka mengirim surat.
They have been sending the letter for 10 minutes. They have been sending the letter for 10 minutes.
Sudah sejam dia laki-laki mengirim surat itu.
He has been sending the letter for 1 hour. He has been sending the letter for 1 hour.
Sudah 15 menit saya mengirim surat itu.
I have been sending the letter for 15 minutes. I have been sending the letter for 15 minutes.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense. Had tambah been tambah sending. Lihat petunjuk 12. Kami telah sedang mengirim surat sebelum dia pergi.
We had been sending a letter before he left. We had been sending a letter before he left.
Mereka telah sedang mengirim surat sebelum mereka bertemu dia.
They had been sending a letter before they met her. They had been sending a letter before they met her.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to, tambah send. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan mengirim surat.
I will send a letter. I will send a letter.
Mereka tidak akan mengirim surat.
They won't send letters. They won't send letters.
Apakah kamu akan mengirim surat?
Will you send a letter? Will you send a letter?
Dia perempuan akan mengirim surat.
She is going to send a letter. She is going to send a letter.
Apakah kita akan mengirim surat?
Are we going to send letters? Are we going to send letters?
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah sending. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang mengirim surat kepada ibu saya.
I will be sending a letter to my mother. I will be sending a letter to my mother.
Mereka akan sedang mengirim surat kepada saudara mereka.
They will be sending a letter to their relative. They will be sending a letter to their relative.
Clara akan sedang mengirim surat kepada pacarnya.
Clara will be sending a letter to her lover. Clara will be sending a letter to her lover.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah sent. Lihat petunjuk 15. Kita akan telah mengirim surat.
We will have sent letters. We will have sent letters.
Mereka akan telah mengirim surat.
They will have sent letters. They will have sent letters.
Apakah kamu akan telah mengirim surat?
Will you have sent a letter? Will you have sent a letter?
Saya tidak akan telah mengirim surat.
I won't have sent a letter. I won't have sent a letter.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense. Will tambah have, tambah been, tambah sending. Lihat petunjuk 16. Saya akan telah sedang mengirim surat.
I will have been sending letters. I will have been sending letters.
Mereka tidak akan telah sedang mengirim surat.
They won't have been sending letters. They won't have been sending letters.
John akan telah sedang mengirim surat.
John will have been sending letters. John will have been sending letters.
Apakah kamu akan telah sedang mengirim surat?
Will you have been sending letters? Will you have been sending letters? Lima Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata makan. To eat, eat, ate, eaten, eating. 1. Memakai infinitive dengan to eat. Lihat petunjuk 1. Mereka ingin makan.
They want to eat.
Kami tidak akan makan.
We are not going to eat.
Apakah kita harus makan?
Do we have to eat?
Dia laki-laki takut makan.
He is afraid to eat.
Kamu seharusnya makan.
You ought to eat.
2. Memakai infinitive eat. Lihat petunjuk 2. Saya tidak akan makan.
I will not eat.
Bolehkah kami makan?
May we eat?
Ya, kalian boleh makan.
Yes, you may. You may eat.
Kita lebih baik makan.
We had better eat.
Mereka harus makan.
They must eat.
Dapatkah kita makan sekarang?
Can we eat now?
3. Memakai infinitive eat untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Makanlah.
Eat.
Silakan makan.
Please eat.
Jangan makan.
Don't eat.
4. Memakai gerund eating. Lihat petunjuk 4. Makan itu sehat.
Eating is helpful.
Lucy suka makan.
Lucy likes eating.
Mari berhenti makan.
Let's stop eating.
Manusia butuh makan.
Human needs eating.
5. Memakai infinitive eat untuk membentuk kalimat present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Dia perempuan biasa makan pisang.
She eats a banana.
Apakah kamu biasa makan roti?
Do you eat bread?
Tidak, saya tidak biasa makan roti.
No, I don't eat bread.
Mereka sering makan ayam goreng.
They often eat fried chicken.
Kami kadang-kadang makan di restoran.
We sometimes eat in restaurant.
Apakah Kate biasa makan bakso?
Does Kate eat meatball?
6. Dengan memakai simple past tense. 8. Lihat petunjuk 6. Kemarin John makan 2 piring nasi.
John ate 2 plates of rice yesterday.
Apakah mereka makan mangga 2 hari lalu?
Did they eat mango 2 days ago?
Saya tidak makan nasi pagi tadi.
I didn't eat rice this morning.
Kemarin kami makan bersama.
We ate together yesterday.
Dia laki-laki makan ikan goreng.
He ate fried fish.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are ditambah eating. Lihat petunjuk 7. John dan Lucy sedang makan.
John and Lucy are eating.
Kami tidak sedang makan.
We are not eating.
Apakah Anda sedang makan?
Are you eating?
Tidak, saya tidak sedang makan.
No, I am not eating.
Dia perempuan sedang makan kue.
She is eating cakes.
Apakah Mary sedang makan kue?
Is Mary eating cakes?
Tidak,
No, she is not.
dia sedang makan donat.
She is eating donut.
Delapan. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah eating. Lihat petunjuk 8. Kami tadi sedang makan.
We were eating.
Kate tadi sedang makan nasi goreng.
Kate was eating fried rice.
Apakah tadi kamu sedang makan pisang?
Were you eating bananas?
Tidak,
No, I was not.
saya tadi sedang makan mangga.
I was eating mangoes.
Mereka tadi tidak sedang makan ubi.
They were not eating cassava.
9. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has tambah eaten. Lihat petunjuk 9. Saya sudah makan 2 piring.
I have eaten 2 plates.
Dia perempuan sudah makan pisang.
She has eaten a banana.
Apakah Anda sudah makan?
Have you eaten?
Tidak, saya belum makan.
No, I haven't eaten.
Mereka sudah makan sup.
They have eaten soup.
Kami belum makan.
We haven't eaten.
Apakah dia laki-laki sudah makan?
Has he eaten?
Ya, dia sudah makan.
Yes, he has eaten.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had tambah eaten. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah selesai makan ketika kami sampai.
They had eaten when we arrived.
Setelah mereka makan, mereka menonton TV.
After they had eaten, they watched TV.
Saya belajar setelah makan malam.
I studied after I had eaten my dinner.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense, have atau has tambah been tambah eating. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 15 menit kami makan.
We have been eating for 15 minutes.
Sudah 1 jam mereka makan.
They have been eating for 1 hour.
Sudah setengah jam Lucy makan.
Lucy has been eating for half an hour.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense, had tambah been tambah eating. Lihat petunjuk 12. Mereka telah sedang makan sebelum kami tiba.
They had been eating before we arrived.
Kate telah sedang makan sebelum ibunya pulang.
Kate had been eating before her mother came home.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to tambah eat. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan makan.
I am going to eat.
Kami akan makan di restoran.
We will eat in a restaurant.
Apakah kamu akan makan?
Are you going to eat?
Mereka tidak akan makan.
They won't eat.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah eating. Lihat petunjuk 14. Mary akan sedang makan selama 10 menit.
Mary will be eating for 10 minutes.
Kami akan sedang makan ketika kamu tiba.
We will be eating when you arrive.
Mereka akan sedang makan selama 1 jam.
They will be eating for 1 hour.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah eaten. Lihat petunjuk 15. John akan telah makan.
John will have eaten.
Mereka akan telah makan kue.
They will have eaten cakes.
Apakah kamu akan telah makan nasi?
Will you have eaten rice?
Kita tidak akan telah makan.
We won't have eaten.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, will tambah have tambah been tambah eating. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang makan.
We will have been eating.
Mereka akan telah sedang makan nasi.
They will have been eating rice.
Apakah kamu akan telah sedang makan?
Will you have been eating?
Saya tidak akan telah sedang makan.
I will not have been eating. Enam Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata membeli. To buy. Buy, bought, bought, buying. 1. Memakai infinitif dengan to. To buy. Lihat petunjuk 1. Saya ingin membeli sebuah buku.
I want to buy a book.
Mereka akan membeli mobil.
They are going to buy a car.
Apakah kita harus membeli makanan?
Do we have to buy food?
Dia laki-laki tidak suka membeli permen.
He doesn't like to buy candies.
Kamu seharusnya membeli tas.
You ought to buy a bag.
2. Memakai infinitif. Buy. Lihat petunjuk 2. Kami tidak akan membeli buku.
We won't buy books.
Mereka harus membeli makanan.
They must buy food.
Kamu dapat membeli mainan di sini.
You can buy toys here.
Saya tidak dapat membeli apa-apa.
I can't buy anything.
Kita lebih baik membeli sepatu.
We had better buy shoes.
3. Memakai infinitif buy untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Belilah ini.
Buy this.
Silakan beli ini.
Please buy this.
Jangan beli ini.
Don't buy this.
4. Memakai gerund. Buying. Lihat petunjuk 4. Membeli buku itu penting.
Buying book is important.
Membeli mobil itu mahal.
Buying car is expensive.
Membeli makanan itu suatu keharusan.
Buying food is a must.
5. Memakai infinitif buy untuk membentuk kalimat present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Kami biasa membeli makanan.
We buy food.
Apakah kamu biasa membeli buku cerita?
Do you buy a story book?
Dia perempuan sering membeli permen.
She often buys candies.
Saya jarang membeli buah.
I seldom buy fruit.
Apakah John sering membeli kue?
Does John often buy cakes?
Tidak.
No.
Dia kadang-kadang membeli kue.
He sometimes buys cakes.
6. Memakai past tense. Bought. Lihat petunjuk 6. Ayah saya membeli sebuah mobil kemarin.
My father bought a car yesterday.
Saya membeli sebuah tas minggu lalu.
I bought a bag last week.
Apakah mereka membeli makanan tadi pagi?
Did they buy food this morning?
Kami membeli TV 2 hari yang lalu.
We bought TV 2 days ago.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are tambah buying. Lihat petunjuk 7. Mereka sedang membeli makanan.
They are buying food.
Apakah dia laki-laki sedang membeli majalah?
Is he buying magazines?
Kami sedang membeli mainan.
We are buying toys.
Saya sedang membeli komik.
I am buying comic.
Apakah Anda sedang membeli jaket?
Are you buying a jacket?
8. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah buying. Lihat petunjuk 8. Mereka tadi sedang membeli makanan.
They were buying food.
Saya tadi sedang membeli perangko.
I was buying stamps.
Apakah tadi dia laki-laki sedang membeli buku?
Was he buying books?
Ya, dia tadi sedang membeli buku.
Yes, he was buying books.
Kami tadi sedang membeli es krim.
We were buying ice cream.
Apakah Anda tadi sedang membeli obat?
Were you buying medicine?
Sembilan. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has tambah bought. Lihat petunjuk 9. Kami telah membeli rumah baru.
We have bought a new house.
Kate telah membeli sebuah tas.
Kate has bought a bag.
Apakah mereka telah membeli buku?
Have they bought any book?
Saya belum membeli pensil.
I haven't bought any pencil.
Dia laki-laki telah membeli sepeda.
He has bought a bicycle.
Apakah Anda telah membeli rokok?
Have you bought any cigarette?
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had tambah bought. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah membeli buku sebelum guru menyuruhnya.
They had bought books before the teacher asked them.
Kami merasa bahagia setelah kami membeli rumah baru.
We felt happy after we had bought a new house.
Saya telah membeli makanan sebelum mereka sampai.
I had bought food before they arrived.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has tambah been tambah buying. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 1 jam mereka membeli obat.
They have been buying medicine for 1 hour.
Sudah 10 menit kami membeli makanan.
We have been buying food for 10 minutes.
Sudah setengah jam Kate membeli es krim.
Kate has been buying ice cream for half an hour.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense, had tambah been tambah buying. Lihat petunjuk 12. Mereka telah sedang membeli makanan sebelum kami tiba.
They had been buying food before we arrived.
Kate telah sedang membeli gula sebelum kamu pergi.
Kate has been buying sugar before you left.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to, tambah by. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan membeli sebuah buku.
I will buy a book.
Apakah kamu akan membeli buku?
Are you going to buy books?
Kami tidak akan membeli buku.
We won't buy books.
Clara akan membeli majalah.
Clara will buy magazines.
Mereka akan membeli rumah.
They are going to buy a house.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah buying. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang membeli baju baru selama 1 jam.
I will be buying new clothes for 1 hour.
Kami akan sedang membeli minyak goreng selama 10 menit.
We will be buying cooking oil for 10 minutes.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah bought. Lihat petunjuk 15. Mereka akan telah membeli sebuah mobil.
They will have bought a car.
Saya akan telah membeli tas sekolah.
I will have bought a school bag.
Apakah kamu akan telah membeli sepatu baru?
Will you have bought new shoes?
Kita tidak akan telah membeli sepeda baru.
We won't have bought a new bicycle.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, will tambah have tambah been tambah buying. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kita akan telah sedang membeli rumah baru.
We will have been buying a new house.
Saya tidak akan telah sedang membeli tas sekolah.
I won't have been buying a new school bag.
Mereka akan telah sedang membeli sepatu baru.
They will have been buying new shoes. 7 Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata menulis. To write, write, wrote, written, writing. 1. Memakai infinitive dengan to write. Lihat petunjuk 1. Mereka ingin menulis surat.
They want to write letters.
Haruskah dia laki-laki menulis surat?
Does he have to write a letter?
Saya akan menulis surat.
I am going to write a letter.
Kay tidak suka menulis surat.
Kate doesn't like to write a letter.
Kamu seharusnya menulis surat.
You ought to write letters.
2. Memakai infinitive, right? Lihat petunjuk 2. Saya tidak akan menulis surat.
I won't write a letter.
Mereka dapat menulis.
They can write.
Bolehkah saya menulis di sebelah sini?
May I write on this side?
Kalian harus menulis latihan ini.
You must write this exercise.
3. Memakai infinitive, right? Untuk kalimat imperative. Lihat petunjuk 3. Tulislah.
Write.
Silakan tulis di sini.
Please write here.
Jangan menulis.
Don't write.
4. Memakai gerund, writing. Lihat petunjuk 4. Menulis cerita adalah hobi saya.
Writing story is my hobby.
Mereka suka menulis cerita.
They like writing story.
Mari berhenti menulis.
Let's stop writing.
Kami keberatan menulis.
We mind writing.
5. Memakai infinitive, right? Untuk membentuk kalimat simple present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Hari biasa menulis cerita.
Harry writes stories.
Kami tidak biasa menulis surat.
We don't write letters.
Apakah kamu sering menulis cerita?
Do you often write stories?
Mereka jarang menulis latihan.
They seldom write the exercise.
Dia selalu menulis hal-hal penting.
He always writes important things.
6. Dengan memakai simple past tense, wrote. Lihat petunjuk 6. Kemarin saya menulis sepucuk surat.
I wrote a letter yesterday.
Kami menulis sebuah cerita minggu lalu.
We wrote a story last week.
Apakah kamu menulis sepucuk surat 2 hari lalu?
Did you write a letter 2 days ago?
Ya, saya menulis surat.
Yes, I did.
Apakah dia perempuan menulis namanya?
Did she write her name?
Tidak, dia tidak menulis namanya.
No, she didn't write her name.
7. Memakai present continuous tense is, am, dan are tambah writing. Lihat petunjuk 7. Saya sedang menulis surat.
I am writing a letter.
Mereka sedang menulis cerita.
They are writing stories.
Apakah kamu sedang menulis latihan?
Are you writing the exercise?
Lucy sedang menulis namanya.
Lucy is writing her name.
Apakah dia laki-laki sedang menulis?
Is he writing?
Tidak, dia tidak sedang menulis namanya.
No, he is not writing his name.
8. Memakai past continuous tense, was atau were tambah writing. Lihat petunjuk 8. Mereka tadi sedang menulis.
They were writing.
Saya tadi sedang menulis pelajaran.
I was writing the subject.
Kami tidak sedang menulis cerita tadi.
We weren't writing stories.
Apakah tadi kamu sedang menulis namamu?
Were you writing your name?
Apakah tadi dia laki-laki sedang menulis latihan?
Was he writing the exercise?
9. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, yakni have atau has tambah written. Lihat petunjuk 9. Mereka telah menulis 2 cerita.
They have written 2 stories.
Saya telah menulis nama saya.
I have written my name.
Mary telah menulis pelajaran.
Mary has written the subject.
Apakah kamu telah menulis pelajaran?
Have you written the subject?
Tidak, saya belum tulis.
No, I haven't.
Apakah John telah menulis surat itu?
Has John written the letter?
Ya, dia telah menulis surat itu.
Yes, he has written the letter.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, yakni had tambah written. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah menulis sebuah surat sebelum kami datang.
They had written a letter before we came.
Kami telah menulis sebuah cerita sebelum film itu diproduksi.
We had written a story before the film was produced.
Saya telah menulis sebuah laporan sebelum Tuan Amir menyuruh saya.
I had written a report before Mr. Amir asked me.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has tambah been tambah writing. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 1 jam mereka menulis cerita.
They have been writing the story for 1 hour.
Sudah 5 menit dia, laki-laki, menulis namanya.
He has been writing his name for 5 minutes.
Sudah 1 minggu Kate dan Mary menulis cerpen itu.
Kate and Mary have been writing the short story for 1 week.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense. Had tambah been tambah writing. Lihat petunjuk 12. Kami telah sedang menulis surat sebelum mereka datang.
We had been writing a letter before they came.
Clara telah sedang menulis cerita sebelum mereka pergi.
Clara had been writing a story before they left.
Saya telah sedang menulis puisi ketika dia tiba.
I had been writing a poem when he arrived.
13. Dengan memakai future tense. Will atau be going to ditambah write. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan menulis sepucuk surat.
I will write a letter.
Mereka akan menulis cerita.
They will write stories.
Apakah kamu akan menulis puisi?
Are you going to write a poem?
Kami tidak akan menulis laporan.
We won't write a report.
John akan menulis buku.
John is going to write a book.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense. Will tambah be tambah writing. Lihat petunjuk 14. John akan sedang menulis surat selama 10 menit.
John will be writing a letter for 10 minutes.
Mereka akan sedang menulis cerita ketika kita datang.
They will be writing a story when we come.
Saya akan sedang menulis puisi selama 1 jam.
I will be writing a poem for 1 hour.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah written. Lihat petunjuk 15. Mereka akan telah menulis sebuah cerita.
They will have written a story.
Saya akan telah menulis sebuah puisi.
I will have written a poem.
Apakah dia perempuan akan telah menulis sebuah buku?
Will she have written a book?
Kami tidak akan telah menulis sepucuk surat.
We won't have written a letter.
Clara akan telah menulis sebuah surat.
Clara will have written a letter.
Tense. Will tambah have tambah been tambah writing. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang menulis sebuah cerita.
We will have been writing a story.
Saya akan telah sedang menulis sebuah surat.
I will have been writing a letter.
Mereka tidak akan telah sedang menulis sebuah laporan.
They won't have been writing a report.
Apakah kamu akan telah sedang menulis sebuah buku?
Will you have been writing a book? Delapan Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata minum. To drink, drink, drank, drunk, drinking. 1. Memakai infinitive dengan to. To drink. Lihat petunjuk 1. Saya ingin minum.
I want to drink.
Kamu harus minum susu.
You have to drink milk.
Kami akan minum kopi.
We are going to drink coffee.
Mereka tidak suka minum susu.
They don't like to drink milk.
Kate seharusnya minum susu.
Kate ought to drink milk.
2. Memakai infinitive. Drink. Lihat petunjuk 2. Saya tidak dapat minum susu.
I can't drink milk.
Bolehkah kami minum anggur?
May we drink wine?
Kamu harus minum susu.
You must drink milk.
Kami tidak akan minum anggur.
We will not drink wine.
3. Memakai infinitive drink untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Minumlah.
Drink.
Silakan minum.
Please drink.
Jangan minum.
Don't drink.
4. Memakai gerund. Drinking. Lihat petunjuk 4. Minum susu itu sehat.
Drinking milk is healthful.
Saya suka minum susu.
I like drinking milk.
Mari berhenti minum.
Let's stop drinking.
5. Memakai infinitive. Drink untuk membentuk kalimat simple present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Rudy biasa minum susu.
Rudy drinks milk.
Saya tidak biasa minum anggur.
I don't drink wine.
Mereka jarang minum kopi.
They seldom drink coffee.
Apakah kamu biasa minum anggur?
Do you drink wine?
Apakah John sering minum susu?
Does John often drink milk?
6. Dengan memakai simple past tense. Drank. Lihat petunjuk 6. Saya minum kopi kemarin.
I drank coffee yesterday.
Apakah kamu minum susu tadi pagi?
Did you drink milk this morning?
Mereka minum anggur 2 hari yang lewat.
They drank wine 2 days ago.
Apakah John minum kopi kemarin sore?
Did John drink coffee yesterday afternoon?
Tidak.
No.
Dia minum susu kemarin sore.
He drank milk yesterday afternoon.
Kami minum anggur minggu yang lalu.
We drank wine last week.
Mary tidak minum kopi kemarin.
Mary didn't drink coffee yesterday,
Tetapi dia minum susu.
but she drank milk.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are tambah drinking. Lihat petunjuk 7. Saya sedang minum susu.
I am drinking milk.
Mereka sedang minum anggur.
They are drinking wine.
Apakah kamu sedang minum kopi?
Are you drinking coffee?
Lucy sedang minum susu.
Lucy is drinking milk.
Apakah Kate sedang minum anggur?
Is Kate drinking wine?
Delapan. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah drinking. Lihat petunjuk 8. Kami tadi sedang minum kopi.
We were drinking coffee.
Saya tadi sedang minum anggur.
I was drinking wine.
Apakah kamu tadi sedang minum susu?
Were you drinking milk?
Mereka tidak sedang minum tadi.
They were not drinking.
Apakah dia tadi sedang minum kopi?
Was he drinking coffee?
9. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has tambah drunk. Lihat petunjuk 9. Mereka telah minum 2 gelas anggur.
They have drunk 2 glasses of wine.
Kate belum minum susu.
Kate has not drunk milk.
Apakah kamu telah minum susu?
Have you drunk milk?
Tidak.
No, I haven't.
Tetapi saya telah minum kopi.
But I have drunk coffee.
Apakah John telah minum anggur?
Has John drunk wine?
Ya.
Yes, he has.
Dia telah minum 2 gelas anggur.
He has drunk 2 glasses of wine.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had tambah drunk. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah minum teh sebelum makanan dihidangkan.
They had drunk tea before the meal was served.
Setelah minum susu, dia berangkat ke sekolah.
After he had drunk milk, he left for school.
Penyanyi itu telah minum anggur sebelum dia menyanyi.
The singer had drunk wine before he sang. 11.
Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has tambah been tambah drinking. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah setengah jam mereka minum anggur.
They have been drinking wine for half an hour.
Sudah 10 menit kami minum kopi.
We have been drinking coffee for 10 minutes.
Sudah 1 jam Kate minum anggur.
Kate has been drinking wine for 1 hour.
Sudah 5 menit kamu minum susu itu.
You have been drinking the milk for 5 minutes.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous. Had tambah been tambah drinking. Lihat petunjuk 12. Dia perempuan telah sedang minum anggur sebelum dia menyanyi.
She had been drinking wine before she sang.
Kami telah sedang minum kopi sebelum mereka datang.
We had been drinking coffee before they came.
13. Dengan memakai future tense. Will atau be going to tambah drink. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan minum.
I will drink.
Dia perempuan akan minum susu.
She is going to drink milk.
Apakah kamu akan minum kopi?
Will you drink coffee?
Kami tidak akan minum anggur.
We won't drink wine.
Mereka akan minum teh.
They are going to drink tea.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense. Will tambah be tambah drinking. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang minum susu ketika kamu datang.
I will be drinking milk when you come.
Mereka akan sedang minum anggur ketika kita tiba.
They will be drinking wine when we arrive.
Clara akan sedang minum teh selama 30 menit.
Clara will be drinking tea for 30 minutes.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense. Will tambah have tambah drunk. Lihat petunjuk 15. Kami akan telah minum susu.
We will have drunk milk.
Dia tidak akan telah minum anggur.
He won't have drunk wine.
Apakah mereka akan telah minum kopi?
Will they have drunk coffee?
Saya akan telah minum teh.
I will have drunk tea.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense. Will tambah have tambah been tambah drinking. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang minum kopi.
We will have been drinking coffee.
Mereka akan telah sedang minum anggur.
They will have been drinking wine.
Saya akan telah sedang minum susu.
I will have been drinking milk.
Kamu akan telah sedang minum teh.
You will have been drinking tea. Sembilan, Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata menangkap. To catch. Catch, caught, caught, catching. 1. Memakai infinitive dengan memakai to. To catch. Lihat petunjuk 1. Kami ingin menangkap burung.
We want to catch a bird.
Saya akan menangkap ikan.
I am going to catch fish.
Kamu tidak harus menangkap burung itu.
You don't have to catch the bird.
Apakah kita harus menangkap ayam itu?
Do we have to catch the chicken?
Mereka tidak suka menangkap kupu-kupu.
They don't like to catch butterflies.
2. Memakai infinitive catch. Lihat petunjuk 2. Saya tidak dapat menangkap ikan itu.
I can't catch the fish.
Kamu harus menangkap ayam itu.
You must catch the chicken.
Mereka akan menangkap kambing.
They will catch goats.
Dapatkah kamu menangkap kupu-kupu itu?
Can you catch the butterfly?
Apakah mereka akan menangkap ikan?
Will they catch fish?
3. Memakai infinitive catch untuk membentuk imperative. Lihat petunjuk 3. Tangkaplah.
Catch.
Silakan tangkap.
Please catch.
Jangan tangkap.
Don't catch.
4. Memakai gerund catching. Lihat petunjuk 4. Menangkap kupu-kupu itu menarik.
Catching butterfly is interesting.
Saya suka menangkap kupu-kupu.
I like catching butterflies.
Tidak ada gunanya menangkap ayam itu.
It is no use catching the chicken.
5. Memakai infinitive catch untuk membentuk simple present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Kami biasa menangkap kupu-kupu.
We catch butterflies.
Mereka tidak biasa menangkap ikan.
They don't catch fish.
Apakah kamu biasa menangkap burung?
Do you catch birds?
Saya jarang menangkap ayam.
I seldom catch chickens.
Apakah John sering menangkap kupu-kupu?
Does John often catch butterflies?
6. Dengan memakai simple past tense. Caught. Lihat petunjuk 6. Kami menangkap kupu-kupu kemarin.
We caught butterflies yesterday.
Mereka menangkap ikan 2 hari yang lalu.
They caught fish 2 days ago.
Apakah kamu menangkap bebek tadi pagi?
Did you catch duck this morning?
Tidak.
No, I didn't.
Saya menangkap ayam tadi pagi.
I caught chicken this morning.
John tidak menangkap burung minggu lalu.
John didn't catch a bird last week.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are tambah catching. Lihat petunjuk 7. Mereka sedang menangkap kupu-kupu.
They are catching butterflies.
Saya sedang menangkap ikan.
I am catching fish.
Apakah kamu sedang menangkap burung?
Are you catching a bird?
Tidak.
No.
Saya sedang menangkap kucing.
I am catching a cat.
Kate sedang menangkap bebek.
Kate is catching ducks.
Kami tidak sedang menangkap ayam.
We are not catching chickens.
8. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah catching. Lihat petunjuk 8. Kami tadi sedang menangkap burung.
We were catching birds.
Saya tadi sedang menangkap ikan.
I was catching fish.
Apakah mereka tadi sedang menangkap ayam?
Were they catching chickens?
John tidak sedang menangkap bebek tadi.
John was not catching a duck.
Apakah Mary tadi sedang menangkap kupu-kupu?
Was Mary catching butterflies?
Tidak.
No.
Dia tadi sedang menangkap ikan.
She was catching fish.
Sembilan. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has ditambah caught. Lihat petunjuk 9. Mereka telah menangkap seekor burung.
They have caught a bird.
Saya telah menangkap seekor kupu-kupu.
I have caught a butterfly.
Kamu belum menangkap seekor ikan.
You haven't caught a fish.
Henry telah menangkap seekor ayam.
Henry has caught a chicken.
Apakah kita telah menangkap banyak ikan?
Have we caught many fish?
Iya.
Yes.
Kita telah menangkap 5 ekor ikan.
We have caught 5 fish.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, have tambah caught. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah menangkap 2 ekor burung sebelum kami datang.
They had caught 2 birds before we came.
Setelah dia laki-laki menangkap seekor ikan, dia pulang ke rumah.
After he had caught a fish, he went home.
Kami telah menangkap seekor burung sebelum mereka mengganggu kami.
We had caught a bird before they disturbed us.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has tambah been tambah catching. Lihat petunjuk 11. Mereka sudah setengah jam menangkap kupu-kupu.
They have been catching butterflies for half an hour.
Kami sudah 10 menit menangkap ikan.
We have been catching fish for 10 minutes.
Kate sudah 1 jam menangkap bebek.
Kate has been catching ducks for 1 hour.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense. Had tambah been tambah catching. Lihat petunjuk 12. Kami telah sedang menangkap seekor burung sebelum kamu datang.
We had been catching a bird before you came.
Kate telah sedang menangkap kupu-kupu ketika mereka berteriak.
Kate had been catching butterflies when they shouted.
Saya telah sedang menangkap seekor ikan sebelum dia muncul.
I had been catching a fish before he appeared.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to ditambah catch. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan menangkap burung.
I am going to catch birds.
Mereka akan menangkap kupu-kupu.
They will catch butterflies.
Apakah kita akan menangkap ikan?
Will we catch fish?
Dia, laki-laki, tidak akan menangkap burung.
He won't catch a bird.
Kita akan menangkap ikan.
We will catch fish.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah catching. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang menangkap seekor ikan ketika kamu datang.
I will be catching a fish when you come.
Mereka akan sedang menangkap burung selama 1 jam.
They will be catching birds for 1 hour.
John akan sedang menangkap kupu-kupu ketika Clara memasak.
John will be catching butterflies when Clara cooks.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah caught. Lihat petunjuk 15. Kami akan telah menangkap ikan.
We will have caught fish.
Saya akan telah menangkap burung.
I will have caught birds.
Apakah mereka akan telah menangkap ikan?
Will they have caught fish?
Dia, laki-laki, tidak akan telah menangkap kupu-kupu.
He won't have caught butterflies.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, will tambah have tambah been tambah catching. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang menangkap burung.
We will have been catching birds.
Mereka akan telah sedang menangkap ikan.
They will have been catching fish.
Saya akan telah sedang menangkap kupu-kupu.
I will have been catching butterflies. Sepuluh Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata menari. To dance, dance, danced, danced, dancing. 1. Memakai infinitive dengan to dance. Lihat petunjuk 1. Mereka ingin menari.
They want to dance.
Kate ingin menari.
Kate wants to dance.
Apakah kamu akan menari?
Are you going to dance?
Ya, saya akan menari.
Yes, I am going to dance.
John tidak suka menari.
John does not like to dance.
Apakah kita harus menari?
Do we have to dance?
2. Memakai infinitive. Dance. Lihat petunjuk 2. Saya tidak dapat menari.
I can't dance.
Kami tidak akan menari.
We will not dance.
Kamu harus menari.
You must dance.
Akankah mereka menari?
Will they dance?
Ya, mereka harus menari.
Yes, they must dance.
Mary tidak harus menari.
Mary must not dance.
3. Memakai infinitive dance untuk membentuk imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Menarilah.
Dance.
Silakan menari.
Please dance.
Jangan menari.
Don't dance.
4. Memakai gerund. Dancing. Lihat petunjuk 4. Menari itu menarik.
Dancing is interesting.
Saya suka menari.
I like dancing.
Mari kita berhenti menari.
Let's stop dancing.
Mereka baru selesai menari.
They have just finished dancing.
5. Memakai infinitive dance untuk membentuk simple present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Kate tidak biasa menari.
Kate doesn't dance.
Mereka biasa menari.
They dance.
Apakah kamu biasa menari?
Do you dance?
Tidak, saya tidak biasa menari.
No, I don't dance.
Kami jarang menari.
We seldom dance.
Apakah dia sering menari?
Does he often dance?
Ya, dia sering menari.
Yes, he often dances.
6. Memakai past tense. Danced. Lihat petunjuk 6. Dia menari di atas panggung kemarin.
She danced on the stage yesterday.
Apakah kamu menari kemarin?
Did you dance yesterday?
Kami tidak menari 2 hari yang lalu.
We didn't dance 2 days ago.
Saya menari di depan kelas kemarin.
I danced in front of the class yesterday.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are tambah dancing. Lihat petunjuk 7. Kami sedang menari.
We are dancing.
John tidak sedang menari.
John is not dancing.
Saya sedang menari.
I am dancing.
8. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah dancing. Lihat petunjuk 8. Apakah tadi Clara sedang menari?
Was Clara dancing?
John dan Kate tadi sedang menari.
John and Kate were dancing.
Saya tidak sedang menari tadi.
I wasn't dancing.
Mereka tadi sedang menari di panggung.
They were dancing on the stage.
Apakah kamu sedang menari tadi?
Were you dancing?
Sembilan. Memakai present perfect tense, has atau have tambah danced. Lihat petunjuk 9. Kate sudah menari.
Kate has danced.
Kami belum menari.
We haven't danced.
Apakah kamu sudah menari?
Have you danced?
Ya, saya sudah menari.
Yes, I have.
Dia perempuan sudah menari.
She has danced.
John belum menari.
John hasn't danced.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had tambah danced. Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah menari ketika kami masuk.
They had danced when we got in.
Kami telah menari di panggung sebelum para undangan datang.
We had danced on the stage before the invitees came.
Saya telah menari waltz sebelum para penyanyi tiba.
I had danced waltz before the singers arrived.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense, has atau have tambah been tambah dancing. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 1 jam mereka menari.
They have been dancing for 1 hour.
Sudah 10 menit Clara menari di atas panggung.
Clara has been dancing on the stage for 10 minutes.
Sudah setengah jam kami menari untuk menyambut para tamu.
We have been dancing for half an hour to welcome the guests.
Sudah 2 jam saya menari di depan para guru.
I have been dancing for 2 hours in front of the teachers.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense, had tambah been tambah dancing. Lihat petunjuk 12. Mary telah sedang menari sebelum kamu datang.
Mary had been dancing before you came.
Kate dan John telah sedang menari sebelum orang tua mereka datang.
Kate and John had been dancing before their parents came.
Saya telah sedang menari ketika kamu mencari saya.
I had been dancing when you looked for me.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to tambah dance. Lihat petunjuk 13. Clara akan menari.
Clara is going to dance.
Mereka akan menari di panggung.
They will dance on stage.
Apakah kita akan menari besok?
Will we dance tomorrow?
Saya tidak akan menari.
I won't dance.
Kamu akan menari sendirian.
You will dance alone.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah dancing. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang menari selama 10 menit.
I will be dancing for 10 minutes.
Kami akan sedang menari di panggung selama 1 jam.
We will be dancing on the stage for 1 hour.
Mereka akan sedang menari ketika kamu datang.
They will be dancing when you come.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah danced. Lihat petunjuk 15. Kami akan telah menari.
We will have danced.
Mereka akan telah menari di panggung.
They will have danced on the stage.
Dia perempuan akan telah menari sendiri.
She will have danced alone.
Saya akan telah menari waltz.
I will have danced waltz.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, will tambah have tambah been tambah dancing. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang menari.
We will have been dancing.
Mereka akan telah sedang menari waltz.
They will have been dancing waltz.
Saya tidak akan telah sedang menari.
I won't have been dancing.
Clara akan telah sedang menari di panggung.
Clara will have been dancing on the stage.